Are you still doing legal consultations manually through mails or messages? Then this video is definitely for you. So hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to automate legal consultation bookings on WhatsApp in 10 minutes. Yes, it is true. And that will possible in just 3 steps. Where at first we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot, and that will create it with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, so that whenever your users send a message to your WhatsApp business account regarding the legal consultation, then automatically your bot will be replied to them. So now to see the working of this amazing automation and learn the process step by step, let's go to my screen. Welcome to my screen everyone. So this is right over here is the automated WhatsApp chatbot that we are going to create in this video. This will automate legal consultation bookings on WhatsApp without you doing any manual efforts. Yes, but before moving forward, now I'll give you a quick overview of how this bot will work and how this bot will reply to your clients within a second. For that, I'm going to send one message to my WhatsApp business account. Here I'm going to send my first message as book consultation. As soon as I send the message, immediately you can see the bot will respond to me like this, that hello, welcome to Lex & Law Associates. How can we assist you today? While providing me 2 quick buttons, that is book consultation and contact info. Here I want to book a consultation, so I am clicking on this book consultation button. Then you can see the bot will respond to me like this while providing me the list of legal services that they are providing to me, including one option in the form of list. When I click on it, it will provide me the types of services, that is corporate law, family law and the criminal law. Here I want to book a consultation for criminal law, so I am selecting this. Then you can see it will ask me for my full name, so I am sharing my full name as a test user. After that, it will ask me to share the date that when I would like to book an appointment, so I am sharing one date also. Then the timing. Then you can see I have received one customized message from my bot, which includes my name that I have shared as a test user, service type that I have selected from the list as criminal law, date and time also. So if you want to create this type of WhatsApp automated chatbot that will done legal consultations bookings without you doing any manual efforts, then you have to follow step-by-step instructions that I am giving you in this video. So let's get started. At first, you have to click on a new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow. So here you are on the official page of Pabbly Chatflow. Pabbly Chatflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool that helps you to automate WhatsApp messages and responses 24/7 for your different type of businesses. Now I'll give you a quick review about Pabbly community. So this is right over here is Pabbly community, where automation users, business owners and marketers connect. If you face any issue while using the Pabbly, then you can share your doubts here and you will get the solution here. If you want to join this amazing community, then I'll provide the link of this community in the description box. You can check out. Now we will get back to the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. Here on the right hand side, you can see 2 options are there. The one is sign in and the another is sign up free option. If you are a new user, then you can click on sign up free option and get 100 free credits to explore the software. Since I'm an existing user, so I'm clicking on the sign in option. So these are the all apps that Pabbly provide to their users as we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot. So I'm going in this Pabbly Chatflow box by clicking Access Now button. So this is the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, where you can add and manage all of your WhatsApp number in one place, where you can see your credits allotted, your credits consumed, your credits remaining and the WhatsApp number added. If you want to add a new WhatsApp number into your Pabbly Chatflow account, then you have to click on this plus add WhatsApp number button. If you want a detailed video of how you can connect your WhatsApp number to your Pabbly Chatflow account, then we have already created a separate video for it. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. You can check out. And in this folder section, you can create multiple folders into your Pabbly Chatflow account by clicking on this plus option, where you have to write the folder name in this field and also select the parent folder from here. After that, in this home section, you can see the status of your WhatsApp number that were added into your Pabbly Chatflow account. Here on the left hand side, you can see the multiple features of Pabbly Chatflow, that is inbox, contacts, team queues, templates, broadcast, flows, AI assistant, activity log, settings and get help. If you want to learn more about all of these features, then we have already created a separate video for it. You can check the description box for the video link. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot, so I am going this flows option. So this is the page where you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Flow Builder. It creates and manages static chatbot seamlessly using a no-code, user-friendly drag and drop builder. As we are creating a new WhatsApp chatbot, so I am going to click on this plus add flow button. So this is the starting point of your flow, that is trigger. But before this, at first you have to give the name to your flow, that what you are creating. So here I'm providing a name. Here I provided, that is automate legal consultation bookings on WhatsApp in 10 minutes. Now I'll give you a quick review about these two options, messages and actions. Under the messages you can see different buttons are there, as well as under the actions you can see different buttons are there. We will use these buttons in the creation of our flow. Here on the right hand side you can see two options are there. The one is active inactive button. With the help of this button your flow will be active. If you don't enable this toggle, then your flow will not be worked and it will not reply to your user. And the another one is the save button. With the help of this button your flow will be updated. Now let's get started. So for starting the creation of your flow, at first you have to select your trigger event. When you click on it, it will provide you multiple types of trigger events. I am creating this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of keywords, so I am selecting this. Keywords are those manually entered words that I expect that my user sends to me. And the another one is the regex. Regex stands for regular expression. It can extract useful data from inputs such as email, phone number, order number, etc. You can also enable this toggle if you want to activate some specific feature or behavior into your chatbot. As we are creating this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of keywords, so the first keyword I am entering in this enter keywords box as book consultation. After writing the keyword, you have to press enter so that it will add it into the list. Now I am adding one more keyword, legal service. Here I added only two, you can add multiple. Now whenever my user will send any of these keywords to my WhatsApp business account, then automatically my bot gets triggered and reply to them by sending them one welcome message. For that I am taking one text button, drag this box here where I am going to write my message in this enter message box as hello, welcome to Lex and Law Associates. How can we assist you today? Now for answering this I am providing two quick buttons for my user where I am going to add my first button as book consultation. After that I am going to add one more, that is contact info. After that I am connecting the trigger point of my flow to this message. Here it is connected. Now let's assume my users wants to book a consultation, then they will click on this book consultation button. Then my bot will reply to them by providing them the list of services. For that I am taking one list button, drag this box here where I am writing the body in this enter body box. You can also write the header and the footer in the specific boxes. Here I am not writing it, that's why I am leaving this blank. Here I write it the body as please select the legal service you need. After that I want to write the types of services. For that I am clicking on this H section button. It will provide me one box inside it where I am going to write the section title as legal service. After that I want to write the types of services, so I am clicking on this plus add items buttons 3 times. Here I am adding only 3 services types. You can add multiple. The process of adding items into your list would be the same. Here I added that is corporate law, family law and criminal law. You can also write the description in this enter description box if you want to. After that I am connecting this circle which are present in front of book consultation to this specific message. Now whenever my user will select the service type, then my bot will reply to them. But before that here I am going to do the setting up of one set custom field. For that I am clicking on this actions option and take button as set custom field. Drag this box here where I am going to select the contact custom field as legal service. After that in this enter value box I am going to write this, that is corporate law, because I set this contact custom field not specifically for this legal service type. After that I am connecting this circle to this message. Now I am going to do the setting up of 2 more contact custom field nodes here for both of these service types. Here I added, you can see I have used the same contact custom field here, that is the legal service, but only change the value. At the end this will help my bot to provide customized message to my users completely based on their selected choice. Now whenever my user will select the legal service, then my bot will ask them to share their full name. For that I am taking one ask question button, drag this box here and writing a question as can you please share your full name to confirm your consultation. For that I am selecting the contact custom field as full name. After that the format I select as text, then a number of attempt. Number of attempt is defined as how many times your user will answer the question that you have written here. It also means that whenever your user will not respond in the correct format, then you have to increase the number of attempt. But make sure that whenever you increase the number of attempt, you have to write the validation message in this enter message box. Here I gave the number of attempt as 0, so there is no requirement of any validation message. Now I am connecting all these 3 circles to this message. Here it is connected. Connection plays major role. You have to make sure that each and every node will connect with each other. Now whenever my user will provide me their full name, then my bot will ask them to share the date for booking the consultation as well as the timing. For that I am going to add 2 more questions here. The process of adding questions into your flow would be the same. Here I added 2 more questions, that is on which date would you like to book your appointment. For that I have selected the contact custom field as appointment date and the format I select as date. After that I ask my user to share the timing and the format is any. Here I added only some questions. You can add multiple and make your bot completely based on your choice. Now after all these process should done, then I want to send one customized message to my users, which includes their name, date of booking the consultation, timing and the legal service type. For that I am clicking on this messages option and take button as text button, drag this box here and writing a message in this enter message box as your consultation is confirmed. Here are the details. You can see I have used a dollar symbol before the full name, legal service, appointment date and time also, because with the help of this symbol my bot will reply to my users dynamically, as whenever they share their full name here, then with the help of this contact custom field node my bot will capture their response and reply to them by mentioning their name in this place. This is same for the legal service and appointment date and time also. After that I am connecting this circle to this message. Here it is connected. Now the next button is the contact info. If my users want the contact information, then they will click on this contact info button. Then my bot will provide them the contact details. For that I am clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text button, where in this enter message box I am going to write the contact details. Here I added. Now our flow is completed. So basically this is the final look of our flow for creating a WhatsApp chatbot that will automate legal consultation bookings on WhatsApp. After the completion of your flow, you have to click on this button, save button, so that your flow will be updated. I also provide the link of this flow in the description box. You can check out. This automated chatbot will reply to your clients in real time like this. Done the process of booking the consultation into your legal firms without you doing any manual efforts. And the best part is this automated chatbot is created without requiring any coding or programming skills. It is only possible with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, then you can text us at forum.pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.